Welcome back to Living808. It's reassuring to know that when you need medical care, you're getting it from some of the best in the business.
Adventist Health Castle recently won that exact distinction, and we spoke to the hospital's president to find out what this means to her and her colleagues.
Top honors to tell you about for Adventist Health Castle, being named by the Lown Institute top Hawaii hospital and 25th best in the nation. So to talk more about this honor and what it means, we have the pleasure of talking with Kathy Raethel, president of Adventist Health Castle. First off, congratulations.
Thank you so much. We're really excited by this news.
Tell me what it means for you, especially right now, given everything we're going to have this type of recognition.
Yeah, it came as a surprise to us, Tanya. You know, we heard about it a few days ago. And in the midst of a pandemic, it's always good to have a little bit of good news, and certainly has cheered the spirits here at Castle. When I came in this morning for my screening, we get screened every day as we enter the hospital. The nurse who was screening me, she said, "Welcome to the best hospital in Hawaii." And it was just really a fun thing for them, you know, to have that recognition.
Tell me a little bit more about the Lown Institute and how they determine top hospital.
They're an institute out of Boston, Massachusetts, and they were founded by Dr. Lown, who was a Nobel awardee. And he's really interested in evaluating hospitals, not just on quality, but on the strengths that you have in civic leadership, connection to community, and in value, in avoiding unnecessary medical interventions. And so they've created this index from 42 different metrics that they then roll up into one. About half of the score is related to quality. And those who know us at Castle know that we've had a heavy focus on quality for many, many years. And we've been rewarded for that. It validates all the work, I think, that we've been doing over many years.
It's also impressive that given all of the hospitals across the country to be in the league of 25th, you know, how many were assessed?
About almost 3,300 hospitals across the country, from large teaching hospitals, university hospitals, all the way down to some very, very small hospitals.
You are a community-based hospital, have so many great activities, which we're used to seeing, people from the tree lighting and everything. How do the values play into the type of healthcare community and aloha that's offered at Adventist Health Castle?
Right. You know, our mission statement says that we live God's love by inspiring health, wholeness, and hope. But we have a couple of catchphrases here at Castle that come out of that mission statement. The first one is that we chase zero, and we use that language. And chasing zero for us means that we're looking for every opportunity to prevent an infection, to prevent a fall, really focused on safety and really good clinical outcomes. But the second catchphrase that we use, and we've really taken to heart, is that love matters at Adventist Health Castle. And it matters in how I treat my coworker, it matters in how I treat my patients, our community. And we've seen, you know, a lot of development around that concept of love matters. I can give you one example. In this new index, there's really about pay equity as one of the focus areas. And one of the things we did at Castle really many years ago now, I think it's about 6 years ago, we said the minimum wage in the state was not adequate, and we could not do that and pay our folks that way. So we went to a $15 minimum, and then just last year we said, you know what, 15 is not enough, and we went to a $17 minimum. It's those kind of things that when love really does matter, you really address those issues of equity and fairness. And I'm really proud of our team, Tanya. They just do an amazing job here.
They certainly do, and I know the community is so appreciative of everyone. Very well-deserved honors. Kathy, thank you so much for taking time to talk with us and share this honor on Living808.
Thank you, Tanya. Aloha.
Aloha.
What an honor for everyone, especially right now when we count on the healthcare heroes, see how they responded to the COVID. And I've happened to have made a few emergency room visits with a couple of broken arms with my son, so I know exactly, you know, how strongly they feel about giving good care. So.
Well, I mean, you can hear it from the president herself. She treats everybody, they treat everybody like family. And so it's nice to know that they're respectful, they're caring, and they're doing their job to the best of their ability, and they're being, granted this great distinction. So
Yes.
awesome.